Hi everybody, Sherine Monir with Compass, and today I am going to be talking about Q3 market update for 2021. And normally Q3 the market slows down a little bit because of summer, especially in August, and since in 2020 a lot of people basically were not able to go on their vacation. We anticipated in 2021 that there was going to be a rush of vacations in August, and of course, it was true. Everybody went on vacation in August, but so the markets slightly slowed down in August, but then it picked up again in September. So today we are going to be talking again about DC, Virginia, and Maryland. So let's dive into DC, the Q3, and what the market did over the past 3 months. So in July, the active new listings were 1,353. The sold homes were 1,002 sold homes. In August, we only had 995 new listings, and the sold homes were only 883. If we look at September, the inventory started going up, so we had 1,853 units, new homes basically came on the market, but the sales, and of course that's the result of August contracts, the sales were 684. The number of months for our inventory in DC were 4 to 5 months on average, which is basically more or less stable. The average days on the market, we have 23 to 28 days. So you see the supply is more or less stable from Q2 to Q3, with less number of units coming on the market in July, August, and August. September, we had, of course, a slight increase. Now, let's talk about Virginia market. And again, in the Virginia market, we are going to look at Alexandria City, Fairfax County, Fairfax City, Falls Church City, and Arlington County. For Alexandria City, the new active listings, in July we had 356, in August 277, and then in September we had 385 units. The homes sold in Alexandria City for the month of July, we had 295. For August, we had 269. And then finally in September, we had 234. If we look at the inventory in Alexandria City, we have only 3 months worth of inventory, and the average days on the market are 16 to 24 days. Now let's look at Fairfax County. In July, we had 2,461 new units. In August, we had 1,913 new units. And finally, in September, we had 1,990. For the number of homes sold, July we had 1,887. August, we had 1,749. And finally, September, we had 1,546. Currently, we have about 2 months worth of supply in Fairfax County, and the average days on the market is basically between 13 to 19 days. Let's take a look at Fairfax City. Fairfax City, new homes in July were 64, in August 46, and then in September 31. Homes sold in July, 41 homes, 37 in August, and then 35 in September. We have an inventory of 2 to 3 months on average, and then the days on the market is between 9 and 18 days. Falls Church City, we have 28 new homes came on the market in July, 22 in August, and then 20 in September. The number of homes that sold in Falls Church City is 19 in July, 17 in August, 22 in September. The inventory in Falls Church City currently, or at least in Q3, have been between 2 and 3 months worth of supply, and the homes normally sit on the market between 14 to 32 days. Finally, let's talk about Arlington. The number of new homes that came on the market in July were 422, in August 331, and then in September 429. The number of homes that sold in Arlington were 347 in July, 303 in August, and 244 in September. Inventory is between 2 to 4 months worth of inventory, and the number of days on the market vary between 23 to 31 days on the market. So you see here again, we have more inventory than we did in Q2, but homes are staying a little bit longer on the market. And finally, let's take a look at Montgomery County. The number of new homes in July that came on the market in Montgomery County were 1,947. In August, 1,523. And then finally in September, 1,699. The number of homes that sold in July is 1,599. In August, 1,450. And finally in September, it was 1,283. The inventory is basically 2 months worth of supply, which is pretty stable right now in Montgomery County, and the average days on the market is between 16 to 20 days on the market. For Montgomery County, we actually have less inventory in Q3, but it's 2 months worth of supply, which is stable. Nothing has changed from Q2 to Q3 on that. And again, if you have any more questions, please let me know. And if you're looking to sell or buy, please contact me. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sherine Monir Compass.